everyone. Once again welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club.
Oh no.
Today I am back with another video. So without any delay, let's begin.
Wow.
Now we are going to color a lotus. You know, lotus is a beautiful flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is mostly found in pink and white color. It grows in the mud. I like lotus flower very much. Do you like flowers?
Oh yeah!
If you visit first time this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I hope you like drawing and painting, and I hope you like this video. Wow, very nice flower. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I will be back with more of this video. You take care of yourself, of your health, of your family. We will see very soon with another video. Thanks for being with me guys, and thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.